I'm going to show you how to make some three-dimensional shapes. Usually when you look on a piece of paper, shapes can look flat, such as this. This is a square. But I can add to it to make it look like I can pick it up like a block. I'll put another square right on top. That looks a little bit like a rectangle, but that's all right. And now we're going to connect the corners on the outside as well as on the inside. And there you have it. That looks like a three-dimensional shape called a cube. Color in the top and the side. And then if you like, you can color the inside. I'll use red. Now let's try another shape with a rectangle. If it's just flat, it will just be a rectangle. But now I can make it look like a three-dimensional shape called a rectangular prism by adding another rectangle up a little bit higher. And then I can connect the corners on the outside and connect the corners on the inside. And there you have a three-dimensional rectangular prism. And I will color in one side. I'll do the top. You can choose the sides you would like to color. In this case, I'll do the top and the front. So it will look a little bit different. And now you can just see one side here left to color, which I think I'll use a light green. Okay, so now we have two three-dimensional shapes, and I'm going to show you a very interesting one next. It's called a triangular prism. We'll start with a triangle. And you can make it an equilateral triangle with equal sides, or you can make a tall triangle or a very wide one. It doesn't matter. And then you can add another one slightly higher. And then we can connect the corners on the outside. And there's only one corner to connect on the inside. And there you have a three-dimensional triangle. Now I'm going to color in one side of it. I'll use orange this time. I think I'll make it look like a tall triangle on its side. I'm just going to color in this side. And that looks pretty interesting. It can be looked at like it's on its side or standing straight up. And I'll color the other side a mint green. All right. Now next I'm going to show you something fun that you can do with these shapes. You can connect them to make a design. So I'll start with the square. I think I'll start down in the corner. Add the one on the top. Connect the corners. connect the inner corners. And now I'll use a different color to add a rectangular prism. And I'm just going to connect it. I'm going to find 2 points that are corners, and I'm going to turn it into a rectangle. And then we can add another rectangle a little bit higher. And then we'll connect these corners on the outside and the corners on the inside. So it's starting to look like a 3-dimensional building of some sort. It could be, you could design a little playground equipment or a type of building. And now we're going to add the triangle. That can be a little challenging, but basically what you do is you find a straight line. You just add the triangle and then make one a little bit higher. And then we connect the outside corners and connect that one corner. And you can keep going and adding, and then you may color in the sides of some of them. And it makes a kind of a fun picture. Now, does everybody remember what the first 3-dimensional shape is called that was made with a square? It has 4 letters, and it starts with a C. Think about the answer. Did you guess cube? If you did, you are correct. Now, let's see if you can guess the next one. Who can tell me what this next shape is called? It begins with the shape of a rectangle. It's a what? A rectangular, starts with a P. If you said rectangular prism, you are right. You are correct. Now, I'm going to ask you the last one and see if you can tell me what it's called. It has a triangle, and it is a 3-dimensional triangular shape, which is called a triangular what? A triangular prism. If you said that, you are absolutely right. And here we have a fun design made with 3-dimensional objects, and you can think of your own way to connect them, and you might even come up with some different shapes to try. So have fun, enjoy this beautiful weather, and give this a try. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.